Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California in my kitchen corner. And let me show you what I picked up this morning. The first two items are Carnation's milk, 2 of the Javalia creamer, and Rockville vanilla caramel. I also picked up 2 bags of the Fresh Express chopped kit, and this is the Asian salad. I've never tried it, but I'm gonna give it a go. 2 bags of chili lemon peanuts, and these are my all-time favorite. This and popcorn mixed together. Yum. I picked up 2 of the Philadelphia cream cheese dips. This one has a chili and celery flavor to it. And this one, it looks like it's spinach artichoke. And I've never had these, but I'm going to give them a go. Just because now in the evenings I get so hungry and I just want a quick snack. And I'm thinking this is going to help me tie me over for the next day. The next 2 items are Trio Snack Funs from Crafts, and it's strawberry waffles, Colby cheese, waffle bits, and dried strawberries. And these were 2 for 99 cents. The next 3 items are these Lunchables, and they're turkey and cheddar with crackers. And these were 3 for 99. Lunchable is turkey and American cracker stackers, and it has a Oreo cookie in it. And these were also 3 for 99 cents. I also picked up a bar of pink saute. I picked up this air freshener, spring showers. I also picked up LA's Totally Awesome Lime Off. I picked up a bag of yellow peppers. I picked up 4 bananas for 49 cents a pound. I picked up a package of Little Dutch Made chocolate chips. I picked up this bag of grapefruits, and these were $1.99. Picked up a bag of pears, and these were also $1.99. I picked up a bag of vanilla wafers. You can tell I was hungry when I went to the 99-cent store today. I also picked up a package of 4 baked trays. I'm going to put these around my kitchen. I almost forgot these 2 last items. Pack of bar mops, and there's 2 of them, and they have the yellow stripe. I also bought this large pitcher, and it was $3.99. Isn't that lovely? Look at that. $3.99, and it's so heavy. And I couldn't leave it behind. She had to come home with me. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I'm going to use it. Doesn't this scream farmhouse to you? It does to me. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this haul, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Goodbye.